I am very open to polygamy.
Yeah.
Very, very open to polygamy.
Bombastical.
And this is because
present girlfriend, I hope you are hearing this thing.
Present girlfriend have seen. No. We don't talk say no need to the see. Not make us so break small relationship when man they want try for build. Forget about my present girlfriend.
Yeah.
Forget. Okay, man, not talk my opinion again. Because now you don't already start the talk.
Even they say you look at the.
Okay, I know they like the other person where they date two and then at the same time, if you follow normal due process for polygamy, marry first, see whether the one way they with and they enough, then if anything happen, before you move. But what I was trying to say is that I am very open to polygamy, very, very open. It come from me, it come from my background. Maybe you don't see a lot of very bad experiences and stuff.
Yeah.
From my background, my Muslim background, where my